My favourite free app this week is Analog Rack Chorus from Nembrini Audio. Look, this isn't the most feature-packed chorus app that's ever existed, but the reason why I love it so much is because Nembrini Audio have absolutely nailed it here when it comes to sound quality and flexibility. This thing doesn't sound like a chorus plugin, it sounds like a chorus pedal. And if you're recording and mixing guitars either on a Mac or on an iPad or iPhone, you'll know how important that distinction is. Your first instinct might be to slap this app onto a guitar track, and you'd be right. Whether applied to a clean guitar for that classic smooth chorus vibe, or layered onto a dirty guitar sound for a bit of extra 90s style bite. Nembrini's Analog Rack Chorus sounds great. Control-wise, you'll be working with an input knob, rate control, depth control, output knob, and power switch. On Mac, you load up Analog Rack Chorus the same way you would any other AU plugin. On iOS, you can use it in standalone mode or connect it to GarageBand or your iOS DAW of choice, via inter-app audio, or as an AUV3 effect. Nembrini Audio's Analog Rack Chorus only does one thing, but it does it very, very well. If you're looking for a go-to chorus effect that will knock it out of the park in almost every sonic situation, then look no further, this is the one. You can grab Nembrini Audio's Analog Rack Chorus for free from their website on Mac, or from the App Store for iPhone or iPad. You'll find links to all of that down below. I'll be back with another free app next week. In the meantime, leave a comment below and let me know what your favourite free plugin or app is. I'd love to know. I've been Patrick from thegaragebandguide.com. Bye for now.